Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode, we are going to continue our story about OPENXLSX library, and now we are going to deal with comments, how to put some comments into your workbook. And for that purpose, I've saved this piece of code from our previous episode. So what this code means: in first line we are importing our library, in second line we are creating our workbook, then we are appending a worksheet to our workbook, and here is some simple piece of data that we are going to use for this purpose, and at the end we are going to save all of this out. And now I'm going to create one style that is going to be used for our comment. But keep in mind, I'm using LibreOffice calculator, so this application have problems with presenting styles with comments. But if you are using Microsoft Excel, this is not going to happen. So problem is not with our script, a problem is with my application. So first thing that we are going to do is to create style. And as usual, make some spacing here. Font size is going to be 25. Then color, it's going to be black, and text, sorry, and text, text decoration is going to be bold. Now we are going to create actual comment. Read function, create comment, with argument comment we are actually going to set text that is going to be presented. Like this. And we are going to put style in here. My style. Now we are going to write this comment out. Write comment. First argument is going to be workbook. Second is going to be index of our sheet. Third is going to be column. So we are going to use column number 5 because we are going to move our data to this column. Row, let's say second row, and comment is going to be this comment we have just created. And now I'm going to write actual data. First argument workbook, second argument sheet, and here I'm going to use text. So what you can see, it's two different ways to provide this argument. Up here we are using index, and down there we are using text, so name of worksheet. X is going to hold data, and start column it's going to be 5. And if I run this code, something went bad. Yeah, typo. It's not both, it's bold. And now everything is fine. And now I'm going to show you what we got. Yeah, this is some unimportant text, and it's set at second row and fifth column. So this would be all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya.